Students, so let's start today's session, and today I am going to show you practical on HTML. Till now, as we have not done much in HTML, so I am going to show you a very simple web page, but as the time passes we will study about more tags, more HTML tags. Then in coming videos I'll show you the usage of those tags. But today I'm going to make a very simple web page. So let's start. So first step is to open the notepad. So wherever notepad is present in your system, you will open that. In accessories it is present. So first we will open the notepad. Fine. Now we will start typing, and the first tag is HTML. You can write in capital or you can write in small case. First tag is HTML, and I told you there should not be space between this starting angle bracket and the tag name. Fine, without space we will write. Now the second tag is head tag. What is the use of head tag? Head tag is used to give the title to the web page. So for title, within the head tag we give the another tag, that is title tag. This is title. So which title shall I give? I am giving my first web page. Fine. Now we will close the title tag, and for closing, which slash we should use? Forward slash, without space, forward slash, title close. Fine. So this is the title to the web page. Now we will close the head tag. Fine. Now this is head section. Now after the head section, what is the next section? Body section. And what is the use of body tag? Body tag is used for giving the main text, actual text which you want to display on the web page. Title bar will not be visible on the web page. Where the title will be displayed? Title will be displayed on title bar, blue bar, topmost bar. Okay. But whatever you write inside the body tag, that will be visible on your web browser. So your all main content will be within the body tag. Whatever, if you want to insert the image in the web page, if you want to make a table, any formatting, all you will do within the body tag, and head tag only for title to the web page. Fine. Now body tag. Inside the body tag you can type anything, like I am typing few lines like www is a collection of digital pages it contains information on different topics. So you can type anything. Fine. Different topics that can be made available through internet. Available through internet. Fine. So two lines I have typed, which I am going to display on the web browser. Fine. Now body tag we have started. Now we will close the body tag. Body tag closed. This is a basic structure of HTML. In every web page we will follow it. Fine. Where will be the difference? Only the difference will be of content, here and here. Fine. Now the body tag is closed. At the last we will close the HTML. So this is our simple web page. Fine. Now next step is to save the file. How will you save the file? First we will click on file, then save. Where I am going to save? Where shall I save? Desktop. Okay, desktop already selected. Now I will give the name, any name, like hello I am giving, hello. If I write only hello file name or the first whatever, okay, first I am taking, any name you can choose, no problem. Fine. So if I type only first without any extension, then it will be text file. It will not be made HTML file. It will be text file, because by default, if you can see here, by default whatever you save, it will save under txt extension. To make it HTML file, we need to give the extension HTML. This is mandatory to give extension HTML. It's mandatory to give, otherwise it will not show you the result on web browser. Fine. So I am going to save it. Now this file here, you can see this file is saved with extension .html. You can give any file name, but extension will be same .html. Fine. Now you can minimize it. We will find out the file. This is our file. Why this is in the shape of Chrome? Because in my system there is a Chrome as a web browser. Fine. If there are two web browser, so one will be default web browser, so it will be changed into the default web browser icon. Fine. In my case this is Chrome. Now your file is saved. Why this is of Chrome? Because we have saved the file with extension .html. Then only its icon will be changed into your web browser icon. Fine. Now how will you open it? You simply double click on it or right click and open. So your browser will be opened with the text whatever you have given and the title. See the title, topmost bar, my first web page. This is the title, and whatever text you have given within the body tag, that will come that will be visible on the white portion. Fine. And this title will be on title bar. I hope it is clear. Now if you want to edit something, now if you want to open the again notepad, what will you do? Right click, open with. If notepad is not visible here, choose another app. You need to search where is the notepad. More app. This is notepad. Select the notepad. Okay. Or in short, we have to open the web browser, open with notepad. Fine. Now this is the text. Now if you want to make some changes, for example, I want to add a tag, BR tag. We have not studied much about tags, but one tag I am using here, BR tag. BR tag, I think I have already told you, BR tag is used for line break. As the enter key works in MS Word, the same way BR tag works in HTML. Fine. So what is the use of BR tag? For line breaking. It means when you see the output, the second line will come in the next line. Fine. So BR. Now we will see what type of tags they are. HTML. This is the starting tag. This is the ending tag. Or we can say this is the on tag and this is the off tag. So what type of tag it is? It is container tag. Head tag. It has starting tag as well as closing tag. So what type of tag it is? Again container. Starting tag of title, closing tag of title. So what type of tag it is? Again container, because container tags which have tags in pairs, which have on and off tags, those are called container tag. And to close the tag, which slash we use? /. Body tag is also a container tag because it has starting tag as well as closing tag. Now come to the BR tag. BR tag comes in which category? Empty tag. Why? Because it has only on tag, no any off tag. Fine. Now if you want to make some changes or if you want to add some line, you can add one more line. It means how will you add it after seeing the output? After seeing the output, you can do editing. Fine. So let's add one more line. These pages, I am writing any line you can write. These pages may include text or graphics. Fine. Okay, now if you have done some changes, then again you need to save it. File, save. But it will, this time it will not ask you for the file name because we have already given the file name. Fine. The file is saved. Whatever changes you have done, that also saved. Then minimize it, or you can close also. Okay, let it be closed. Then what is the next step? You will open the HTML file. Now this is your file, you will open that. This is the output. Fine. See, wherever we have written the BR tag, that line appears in the next line. Fine. www is a collection of digital page. Here we have given the BR tag, so the next line is appeared in the next line as the end tag key works. I hope it is clear. Fine. So this is a small web page. In next videos I'll show you the usage of more tags. Then we will learn about tags and I will show you practicals on that. Fine. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe for getting your updates. Thank you.